Hi everyone, how have you all been? Today I'm making some changes to my kitchen to make it more functional using items that I already have. I have been keeping all my appliances on this big table, which blocks up cupboards and literally takes half the kitchen space. I'm making it look cluttered. It's been a year since we moved to this place. When choosing a new house in a new state, a few crucial factors compels you, like proximity to the office, good schools, hospitals, and the list never ends. We ended up with an unfurnished flat in a prime area to stay within the budget. To solve this, I decided to use one of our 5 tile vertical racks, which we bought set of 5 from a local vendor when we moved in. Here I'm repurposing a old yoga mat. I'm placing items according to their usage. Fruits and snacks goes on second to last rack to grab my baby's attention. We all love getting new items, whether from food delivery boxes, courier packages, or impulsive shopping. But these can quickly clutter up the space. To achieve a stress free and easy to maintain kitchen, it's really crucial to keep only the essentials. This also makes shifting and organizing in a new space much easier. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe for more content.